Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to start a new topic, line and multiple integration. So this topic includes double integration, triple integration and change of variables. So that is change of order of the integration and so on. Okay. Now let's see what is the line integral. Okay. So here we define line integral along two-dimensional plane curve and three-dimensional space curve. Okay, first along two-dimensional plane curve, consider a curve C given by x equals to f of t, y equals to g of t, where a is less than or equals to t and t is less than or equals to b. That means this t lies between a and b. So these two are the parametric form. Then the integral of the form integration p dx plus q dy is called a line integral along the curve C. Here p and q are the continuous function x and y which defined at every point t belongs to a comma b. Further, its value is given by integration a to b p of f of t comma g of t f dash of t plus q of f of t comma g of t g dash of t is into dt. So that means we substitute this limit values of t, so a and b. So here t lies between, that is it varies from a to b, therefore integral a to b, and p of g f of t comma g of t means, so we substitute p values in terms of f of t and g of t, that is by using the given parametric equation, and this f of t is nothing but dx value. Okay, so here dx x is given by f of t, therefore dx value will be differentiating this one, we get f dash of t. Similarly dy value will be g dash of t. So substituting those value we will get this line integral value. Okay, so similarly we define along three-dimensional space curve. The curve C in the parametric form is x equals to f of t, y equals to g of t plus z equals to h of t, where t varies from a to b. Then the integral of the form integration integration p dx plus q dy plus r dz along the curve C is called a line integral. Okay, so this is in the three-dimensional space curve and its value is given by integration a to b p of f of t plus f of t comma g of t comma h of t. So similarly we substitute dx value f dash of t. So like that we substitute q value and r value in terms of f of t, g of t and h of t. Okay, so then we get this line integral value. Okay, now we have properties of line integral. First property, integration k p dx plus k q dy plus k into r dz. So that means if a scalar quantity k is common in all these three terms, then we can take that scalar quantity outside, then we can simplify this integration. Okay, so second one, integral c p1 plus p2 into dx plus q1 plus q2 dy plus r1 plus r2 dz can be written as, so it can be split into two integrals separately, that is integral p1 dx q1 dy plus r1 dz plus integral p2 dx q2 dy plus r2 dz. Okay, so third one, integration for the curve c1 plus c2, but these integrals are integrand is same, so this can be split into two integrals, first for the first curve and second integral for the second curve, that is integration p dx plus q dy plus r dz along the curve c1 plus p dx plus q dy plus r dz along the curve c2. So that means this curve c1 plus c2 can be split up into c1 and c2 separately. Okay, next fourth one, integration minus c p dx plus q dy plus r dz. So if we have a curve minus c, negative of the curve, so that means if it is in the negative sign, so this can be written as negative of integral c p dx plus q dy plus r dz. So these are the properties of line integral. Okay, now let us solve some problems on this one. So in this we have variety of problems, so we will solve a few of them in this video. Okay, first problem, evaluate integral c 3x minus 2y into dx plus y plus 2z into dy minus x square dz, where c is the curve x equals to t, y equals to 2t square, z equals to 3t cube, and 0 is less than or equals to t, which is less than or equals to 1. Okay, so first let us start with the given things. Solution, given x equals to t, which implies that differentiating this one we get dx equals to dt, and y is equals to 2t square. Differentiating this one we get dy is equals to 2t square differentiation is 4t dt plus and 3 z is equals to 3t cube. Differentiating this one we get dz is equals to 3 into 3 9 t square dt. Okay, and also by data or given that 0 lies between t lies between 0 to 1, that is 0 is less than or equals to t, which is less than or equals to 1. So therefore given integral can be written as, that is given integral is integral 3x 2y dx plus y plus 2 dz dy minus x square dz. It can be written as, so we substitute all the values here. First c is given by 0 to, so that is t varies from 0 to 1. So substituting all the values here we get 3, x value is t, so 3t minus 2 into y. So here 2 into y means y is nothing but 2t square, 2 into 2 4t square, into dx value is dt plus y means it is 2t square plus 2 into z, 2 into 3 is equals to 6 t cube, into dy value is 4t dt minus x square. X square means t square, dz value is 9t square, or we can write it as, okay, here itself we write 9t square. Okay, in the all these three cases we have dt common, so we can take dt common. So 0 to 1, simplifying this one we get 3t minus 4t square plus multiplying this term with this 4t we get 2 into 4 8 t cube plus 6 into 4 equals to 24 t power 4 minus 9 t power 4 into dt. Okay, so now integrating, or we further simplify this one. So 24 minus 94 is equals to 15 t power 4 plus 8t cube as it is minus 4t square as it is plus 3t. Okay, so we are just arranging all the terms. Now integrating this one we get 15 t power 5 divided by 5 plus 8 t power 4 by 4 minus 4 t cube by 3 plus 3 t square divided by 2, and the limits are 0 to 1. So here we can cancel this one, even this one also. Okay, therefore here we get 3t power 5 plus 2t power 4 minus 4t cube by 3 plus 3t square divided by 2, and the limits are 0 to 1. Now so evaluating these limits, that means we apply the lower and upper limits. So we get upper limit minus lower limit, that is substituting t is equals to 1, here we get t power 5 is equals to 1, therefore it is 3 plus 2 minus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So in all the cases substituting t equals to 1, we get 1 only. So therefore as it is, minus here we have 0, substituting t equals to 0, here we get 0 only. Okay, so now further simplifying all this, that is we can take LCM 3 into 2, 6 as a LCM. Okay, now so here we multiply with 6 into 3, 18, or you can, so further you can simplify this one, 3 plus 2 is equals to 1 also. Okay, so directly I am taking LCM. So 3 into 6, 18, 2 into 6, 12, minus 4 into 2, 8, plus 3 into 2, sorry. So here we have 2, so therefore 3 3 is a 9 here. Okay, so for the that means adding all these terms we get 31 divided by 6. So this is the required answer. Okay, second problem, evaluate integral c xy dx plus x square z dy plus xyz dz, where c is given by x equals to e raised to t, y equals to e raised to minus t, z equals to t square, and 0 is less than or equals to t, which is less than or equals to 1. So first we write the given x equals to e raised to t. Differentiating this one, we get dx equals to e raised to t dt, and y equals to e raised to minus t, which implies that dy is equals to minus e raised to minus t dt, and z equals to t square, which implies that dz equals to 2t dt, and also given that 0 lies between t lies between 0 to 1. So therefore given integral is equals to integral c xy dx plus x square z dy plus xyz dz is equals to integration 0 to 1. X value is e raised to t, y value is minus e raised to minus t, and dx value is e raised to t dt. Okay, plus x square means it is e raised to t square, so which is equals to e raised to 2t. Z value is t square, and dy value is minus e raised to minus t dt, plus xyz value is, x value is e raised to t, y value e raised to minus t, into z value is 2t, and sorry, not 2t, it is t square, into dz value is 2t dt. So just I am substituting all the values. Okay, then we simplify this one. Integral 0 to 1, e raised to t, e raised to minus t. So adding all this power, e raised to t, e raised to minus t get cancelled. That means we get e raised to 0. So thus we get e raised to t here. Okay, so here we get e raised to t plus. So here also you can observe that, sorry, not plus into minus, we have minus sign here. So e power 2t minus t is equals to, we get e power t into t square into, so we write dt afterwards. Now e raised to here e raised to t, e raised to minus t is equals to, we get e power 0, which is equals to 1, or you can say that these two get cancels. Okay, so we get 2t cube. Now we write dt here. Now integrating this one, so here we have to apply UV rule. So we treat this as a first function, e raised to t as a second function. Here we apply the Bernoulli's generalized rules of integration. Okay, so which will be easy. So that is, we know that, first I will write the formula. Integration of uv is equals to u as it is integration of v which is represented by v1 plus, sorry, alternatively we change the sign. Now differentiation of u which is u dash and integration of v1 is v2 plus again u double dash v3 and so on. Okay, we apply this formula here. So that is integrating, we get e raised to t, integration is e raised to t itself minus sign as it is. So treating this as first function, this one as second function, integrating by this rule we get t square as it is, integration of et is et only, sorry, that is e raised to t, not et, e raised to t. Now differentiation of t square is 2t and integration of e raised to t is again e raised to t only plus differentiation of this 2t. So v3 means differentiation of this 2t is 2, then e raised to t, next 2 differentiation will be 0. So therefore we stop here itself plus 2 t cube integration is t power 4 divided by 4. Now further simplify, we apply limits here 0 to 1. Further simplifying this one we get e raised to t minus e raised to t t square minus into minus plus 2t e raised to t plus into minus minus 2 e raised to t plus here we get t power 4 divided by 2 and the limits are 0 to 1. So substituting upper and lower limits we get e power 1 is equals to e minus, so here t value is equals to 1 and e power 1 is equals to e, therefore it is e plus again t value 1 e power 1 is equals to e minus, here also we get 2e plus 1 by t power 4, so therefore it is 1 by 2. Next minus lower limit, so here we get e power 0, okay, minus here t value is equals to 0, therefore we get 0, here also we get 0, so here we get minus 2 e power 0 and here also we get 0. Now simplifying this one, this plus c minus c get cancels, 2e get cancels, we get 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 2 because e power 0 equals to 1. So simplifying this one we get, so this is plus because minus into minus we are applying lower limit, minus into minus we get plus, plus 2. So simplifying this one we get 3 by 2. This is the required answer. Okay. Third problem, evaluate integral c x square minus y into dx plus y square plus x into dy, where c is the curve given by x equals to t, y equals to t square plus 1 and 0 lies between, t lies between 0 to 1. So here the given integral, line integral is in 2-dimensional plane. Okay. Solution, given x equals to t, which implies dx equals to dt and y equals to t square plus 1, therefore dy is equals to t square differentiation 2t plus 1 differentiation 0 into dt. So therefore given integral I is integral c x square minus y dx plus y square minus plus x dy is equals to, we substitute all the values here, integral 0 to 1. Okay, x square value is t square minus y square, y means it is t square plus 1. Next plus y square means it is t square plus 1 whole square plus x is t. Sorry, here we have to substitute dx value which is equals to dt. Okay, and dy value is 2t dt. So further simplifying this we get integral 0 to 1 t square minus 1 dt plus expanding this one we get t power 4 plus 1, that is using a plus b whole square formula, t power 4 plus 1 plus 2t square plus t into 2t dt. Okay, so in the next step we take the t common. Here t square get cancels, we get 0 to 1, so minus 1 here. So this dt we write later on. So plus 2 into t power 4, 2t into t power 4 is t power 5, plus this 1 into 2t is equals to 2t, plus 2 into 2 4t cube, plus 2t square into dt, or it can be written as 2t power 5 plus 4t cube plus, so, or we can directly simplify this one. Okay, once again I will write in the descending order. Okay, 2t square plus 2t minus 1, so dt. Okay, now integrating this one we get 2 t power 6 divided by 6 plus 4 t power 4 by 4 plus 2 t cube plus 3 plus 2t square by 2 minus t, and the limits are 0 to 1. Okay, now we simplify this one, we get, so 4 cancels, 2 get cancels, so thus applying upper limit we get here 1 by 3, or first you can write this one simplified form. So here we have t power 6 by 3 t power 4 plus 2 by 3 t cube plus t square minus t, and the limits are 0 to 1. So simplifying this one we get 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 minus lower limit equals to 0, plus 1 minus 1 get cancels. So adding all this we get here, we can take 3 LCM, 1 plus 3 plus 2, which is equals to 6 by 3, or we can write it as, answer is 2. Okay, so thus the given line integral value is 2. Next problem, evaluate integral c y dx minus x dy minus z square dz, where c is the curve given by x equals to sin t, y equals to cos t, and z equals to t square, and 0 t lies between 0 to 1. Solution, we here also we follow the same steps. Okay, same method. So first we write the given parametric equations, x equals to sin t, differentiating this one, dx equals to sin t differentiation is cos t into dt, and y equals to cos t, its differentiation is dy is equals to cos differentiation minus sin t dt, and z is given by t square, differentiation is dz equals to 2t dt. Also given that t lies between 0 to 1, so therefore given integral is equals to integral cy dx minus x dy minus z square dz is equals to integration 0 to 1, y value is cos t into dx value is cos t again. Okay, so cos t dt minus x value is sin t into dy value is minus sin t into dt, minus z square value is, z value is t square, so therefore squaring it we get t power 4, okay, into dz value is 2t dt. Okay, so further simplifying this one we get integral 0 to 1 cos into cos, cos square t, minus into minus plus sin into sin, sin square t, no, minus 2t power 5 into dt. Okay, but we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is equals to 1, therefore it is 0 to 1, 1 minus 2 t power 5 into dt. Now integrating this one, we get 1 integration t minus 2 t power 6 divided by 6, and the limits values are 0 to 1. Further simplifying this one, we get, so here we get 2 by 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3 minus lower limit equals to 0. So thus its value is equals to 1 minus 1 by 3 is equals to, we get 2 divided by 3. So which is the required answer. Next problem, evaluate integral c 2y plus x square dx plus 3x minus y dy along the curve x equals to 2t, y equals to t square plus 3, where 0 is less than or equals to t, which is less than or equals to 1. Okay, so again following the same steps, we get given that x equals to 2t, so differentiating this one, we get dx equals to 2t differentiation is 2 dt, and y is given by t square plus 3. Differentiating this one, we get dy is equals to t square differentiation 2t plus 3 differentiation 0, therefore it is 2t dt. Okay, now we write the given integral is equals to integration c 2y plus x square dx plus 3x minus y dy. Okay, so this is the given integral. Now we substitute x, y value and dx and dy values. Here we get integration. Also we write here that is given limit, so that is t varies from 0 to 1. Okay, so thus 0 to 1 2y, so that is 2 into y value is t cube plus 3 plus x square is 4 t square into dx. Dx is 2 dt plus 3x, so 3x substituting 3x value, so 3 into 2 is equals to 6t minus y value is t square plus 3, and dy value is 2t dt. Okay, now further simplifying this one, we get I equals to integral 0 to 1, so sorry, this is not t cube, it is t square. Okay, so 2t square plus 2 into 3 6 plus 4t square as it is into 2, so we keep this as it is, plus 6t minus t square minus 3 into 2t dt. We will simplify in the next step, so that is integral 0 to 1 2t square into 2 is equals to 4t square plus 6 into 2 12 plus 4 into 2 8t square plus 6 into 2 12t square minus 2t cube minus 6t into dt. Now arranging the terms, we get integral 0 to 1 4t square 8t square 12t square equals to, we get 24t square. Okay, so before that we write constant term 12 minus 60. Okay, now plus 24t square minus 2t cube into dt. Simplifying, that is integrating, we get 12 t minus 6t square divided by 2 plus 24 t cube divided by 3 minus 2 t power 4 divided by 4, and the limits are 0 to 1. Okay, now applying upper and lower limits, we get, so it is 12 minus, or we can write once again, we write all these terms, that is it is 12t minus 3t square plus 8t cube minus t power 4 divided by 2, 0 to 1. Now apply the limits. We get 12 minus 3 plus 8 minus 1 by 2 minus lower limit is 0. So simplifying this one, we get 17 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so which is equals to, so simplifying this, we get 33 divided by 2. So this is the final answer. Okay.